Morning debrief.
We've got to get a speedboat first of all. That'll definitely wake us up.
Oh, look at this bamboo bridge. Hey, what the hell? Don't fall in.
Oh, see?
Oh,
Not so big man now, slipping over some bamboo.
remote spots. Still got posty play.
Hey bro. Morning. This one? Okay.
ATV time. Let's go, baby.
Sick.
Fishbowl.
Fishbowl. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, thank you.
sir?
No, that's over. Time to go on a zip line. We're about to go on this together on one.
The strap.
This is all that's holding us up. Both mine and George's weight.
Get strapped up.
We're now leaning. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh. Yeah, my body's. No, this is so crease.
What are we doing?
Go on, send us, bruv. Send us. Yeah, see ya.
What's going on?
We just got no control of our fate.
1, 2, 3, go!
God. Oh, the blood. That's one way to wake yourself up. Now to the next zip line if that weren't enough. Thank you. We're now in the middle of the jungle now, going up some random stairs. We're dressed like this. Oh, I've just seen this.
Oh, we've got another one.
I don't even know where this is going.
How are you guys spending your Wednesday?
Yeah. Oh, tie me up a bit. Oh! God, that's a bit tight there, mate. This is so creased. Push us as fast, as hard as you can.
Oh.
Yep.
Yep, you got the message. We're alive.
Still alive.
Thank you, sir.
That's okay.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you. One hot cappuccino. It's always handy having a cafe in the middle of the jungle. Can I try the bacon? I have no idea what I've just ordered. Are you from Morocco? Very lucky to live here.
I can follow your TikTok and your YouTube.
What is this then? Is this...
takoyaki, sir.
So we've got some bacon, takoyaki, and some extra stuff on it.
Takoyaki.
Yeah, it's Japanese. Japanese food in the middle of the jungle. We're life in the jungle. I'm gonna go in one of these random hot baths. We don't even have to sit in there. Do I sit like this or what? Sit here, mong out.
Word.
Got your feet out like that.
There's only one thing that can make this better.
A beer. This is your sign to come sit in a cooking pot in the middle of a jungle.
A random Wednesday in February.
Another day. Last night in Boracay, and look at this view.
Sunset is within the next hour and a half. Got a pretty solid spot for it.
Yeah, not half.
Yeah, man.
What's that sound?